Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to recover your disabled Facebook account, or if you are facing your account has been disabled problem, then today I will solve this. If you watch all of those videos from YouTube and those didn't work with you, then today's video is for you. So first of all, subscribe the channel and watch the full video and try those process. So let's start. First of all, go to your any browser what you have. I go with Chrome browser, then search Facebook, and then log in your account. I don't want to log in the account, I just go through the direct. So search the my account has been disabled. Here you can see the first link, why my personal account was disabled. So click on that and scroll down, and here you can see there are lots of green line link, and use this link. Here you can see what can I do if my personal account has been disabled. So if you think your account was disabled by mistake, please use this form to request a review. Then click to the request a review option, and here you can see a form is opened. So you can also log in with your Facebook account, or you can enter your email address, whatever connected with your Facebook. So use the email address what that connect with your Facebook account, or what you use to log in with your Facebook account. So use your Facebook email. I just use a random email, and then type your Facebook full name, or your original name, and that's good when you use your Facebook account name. uh, I just type a random name, and then here you can see a option that choose file. Then choose your NID or your identity, or your whatever you have. If you have your passport, then click a passport photo, or whatever you have a driving license, or any other government issued ID card. So choose your any ID card, just capture the photos of that, then click to the choose option and choose any of your ID card, then click to the send option, and then Facebook will take uh, 1 day to 2 day, I mean 24 hours to 48 hours, then Facebook will give you your account. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope your account will be back. So if you have any problem with that, then don't forget to comment below and we will solve this. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Tata.